Today we will explore creating a Drupal ad. A Drupal ad is a content type that includes a sleek small image with some targeted copy and a call to action. Drupal ads are available in two different formats. On larger screens, they will display in a vertical format to the left of the page's content, and on a smaller screen, it will display in a horizontal format above the rest of the content. So first navigate to the group that you would like to create the ad and then choose add. Because we have a small amount of space with a Drupal ad, our title and our targeted copy should be short and concise. I'm going to create an ad about the CMS help desk during the summertime. So my title will be CMS help in the summer. I have already prepared my photos. However, Drupal will provide some help here for the portrait and the landscape photos. Because this ad will display in two different formats, we have to provide two different image crops. If you have an image that maintains its integrity that can be cropped in these two different formats, then that is great. I'm using an image of flowers that looks great cropped both as portrait or landscape. If not, it is okay to use two completely different images as long as they are sized appropriately. So first I'm going to update the portrait photo. So this is sized to be 160 by 310 pixels. Next, I will update the landscape photo, which is the opposite orientation. So you can see that I've cropped the image to include the flowers in both crops. Next is the body. So this is our targeted copy. Again, we want to keep our copy brief. So this should be up to 50 characters. I'm going to say to reduce ticket volume, explore our tutorials. Next, in the ad link, we have link text and a URL. Again, the link text should be short but descriptive, maybe 2 to 3 words, less than 16 characters. So I will say visit YouTube, and then I will provide a link to our YouTube channel with our tutorials. Next, we will decide what pages we would like to display the ad on. We are only able to display the ad on pages that we have access to. So this is going to be pages that live in the groups that we are members of. So for example, I am a member of the marketing communications group, so I am able to display the ad on pages within marketing communications. For example, I want to display this ad on CMS help pages. So we have a few different options here, and we've also provided some help. So first, we can provide the page's path. The path is going to be the URL, but the content that comes after wpi.edu. So if the link is wpi.edu/offices/marketing communications/CMS help, then I'm going to provide just this path. Next, we have the ability to pull in some pages in bulk. So we do that using a wildcard, which is an asterisk. So if I wanted to display the ad on only CMS help page, I will leave it this way. But if I wanted to display the ad on all of the sub pages of CMS help, so that would be this page here. This is the Drupal page. So then the path is /CMS help /Drupal. Then I'm going to include that wildcard. So if I provide an asterisk, then the ad will display on all of those pages. Next, we have the ability to exclude some pages from that group. So if I wanted to exclude one page, maybe that is the WordPress page, then I will provide that path with an exclamation point. So if I do an exclamation point and then the path of the page that I wish to exclude from that group that I've provided using this wildcard, then this will exclude that one page. Next, we will decide if we want to display the ad for anonymous or authenticated users. An anonymous user is somebody who is visiting wpi.edu but is not logged into Drupal. An authenticated user is someone who's visiting the page but is logged into Drupal. If this is some internal information, then if you click on just authenticated, then it will only be available to users logged into Drupal. If both of them are checked or if none of them are checked, then the ad will be visible to everyone. Next, if there's any topics that relate to this, go ahead and add them here. Next, now that my ad is all set, I'm going to schedule it for publishing. So if I want the ad to publish next Monday at 8 a.m., I'll provide that here. And then I would like it to unpublish right at the end of August and at 8 a.m. as well. Now, when I save this, Drupal is going to schedule my ad for publishing. So we'll provide a confirmation message that says that it is scheduled to be published on Monday at 8 and scheduled to be unpublished on August 25th at 8. And now I have a quick preview of what my ad looks like. I'm on my laptop, which is a smaller screen, so I see it in the horizontal format. Of course, I'm going to test my link and make sure that that works just fine. And there's the Drupal ad.